Tell you something. Always wipe your cans off before you drink on it. My screen got sick.
I did like this, but I didn't want the top part.
No, the top part. She got really sick. And didn't know why. You wanna know why she got sick? Mom had put it on top of her.
There's a great no man. Look, I had a long night last night. I had a long night last night. I wouldn't feel like doing that. I didn't even feel like cleaning my phone.
I watched it and she couldn't figure out why. She's like, ain't nothing. She traced me because she's like, what could it be before we? She went back to that can and looked at it, took it in, and that's when it traces on the rat test. That's why I don't get the cans. Look at you.
I don't, but they better than the bottles.
I'll try to stay as close as I can with to the thing so the video will come out right.
So the video will come out. What you recording?
I'm recording it for my page.
Oh, from your glasses. Okay. They really work, huh?
Yeah, they're recording right now.
I'm still wanting to buy him some.
Honestly, if you're not doing this or making content, you don't really need it unless you're like either a traveler or like you're making content like this.
Make beats.
I don't like dudes talking to them. I take them over talking. I don't like that.
Yeah, he make beats in the studio.
Listen, I smell the battery a little bit, so just
My battery?
yeah, don't leave it on the charger when you go to sleep, okay? It's better not to.
Okay.
I mean, even if there's no damage right now, you don't want the damage to happen.
Never on all phones.
It's better not to. Yeah.
So when I go to sleep, I'm like,
Me too.
I'm like, here, they wake up.
Take it off, right?
Well, the thing is, like iPhone, they say it's you know the phone will stop charging or whatever. But every person that I've seen who does that, so this is what I'm telling you. It's not something official.
Yeah.
It's just what I see people like when I see somebody comes in here with a bad battery. I ask them the same question: do you leave your phone on the charger and go to sleep? And they'd be like, yeah.
And then I kept going, even though it's already broke.
You
So
know.
what was wrong with your phone?
Yeah, I don't know. I told somebody to take our pictures and I got it back. It was broke, baby. I was living.
So what's wrong with her phone?
No, there's nothing wrong with her phone right now.
Well, what you
It was
just do
just
to
a
her?
screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay.